Hello, everybody. So, I just wanted to talk about happiness today. So, I've been thinking about this a lot lately, and I feel like a lot of us, wonder what true happiness is. And I feel like sometimes it's really hard to, like, find happiness in every day. Like, how does one go about that? And so it just makes me think, like, I think happiness is in moments. So what I mean by that is, like, happiness, like, we find happiness in when we look outside and see birds, you know, in your yard picking at the grass, or, you know, just anything that, like, makes you, like, take a second look, and I feel like that is, like, a big part in finding it every day. And just in the moments of, like, laughter, like when you think something is funny, like I feel like we are chasing after, you know something that we don't really understand quite fully. Like, I feel like it's like one of those things that it's takes a long time to find some bits of happiness. And, I just think it's really important to seize the day and, what happens in our everyday life, what little things that we can find that are just exciting. And I just think it's really important because, you know, most of our days when we are, just looking for just a little bit of, that serotonin, that lights up our body. And, I feel like sometimes we look for it in places like, watching TV or reading a book, or, you know, um, going outside and having walks. And, and I feel like, yes, I think happiness can come from that, but I think it's also the way we perceive things. So I think perception is a really big thing in happiness, because if we don't have the right perception of just, go with the flow and, let things be, and being able to see the easy moments in that, because I feel like we pass things by. We get in our thoughts and we start thinking about how our day should be and what we still need to do when we're constantly rushing. And so I just think it's super important to be able to realize, like, everything in our lives is gonna go quick. Like, time flies. And I feel like it's really important to, like, feel something. And, it's hard sometimes because we get so in our emotions, and we're having a bad day, or just anything that strikes us wrong, or, it's just really hard because